Full moon in Libra is very, very soon, and Libra is infamous for relationships, for building partnerships, harmony, balance. So I know for a lot of people things have been a little chaotic lately or just feeling out of balance. So with this full moon, Libra is really going to get us back on an even keel again. It's also a good time to really look at collaborations, partnerships. We can do things on our own, don't get me wrong, like everybody is self-sufficient to do things on their own, but sometimes it helps and can be more beneficial to have people that you work with, that you share common ground with, that you can learn with and excel with and grow together. So this is a really good time to review what you've been doing, what you want to do, and really look at reaching outside of you and your spectrum and developing business partnerships, strengthening friendships, working on love relationships and really allowing those to blossom and grow more. So as I did mention before, if things are feeling a little out of balance and you can't see them coming to balance, know that we do have this energy to really get centered with ourselves and create that balance. Have an amazing full moon in Libra.